Hello, welcome to the second part of my video. Thank you for making it this far. Today we'll be continuing from where we stopped yesterday. I'll be showing you how to add windows today. So first of all, you go to the menu, click on Windows. You can edit the window if it is not the exact size you want. I really can't remember the window sizes I used in this particular design. That is not an issue, as you can always check. So now I just use the measure tool to check out the exact width of the window. I found it out to be 1200 millimeters. I changed the width to 1200 millimeters and the height to 15.0. So now you can place the window where I reflect on the floor plan below. Now I'm measuring the size of the other smaller windows to see how big it is so I can do the same thing I did before. I found it to be 800 millimeters. Now I go to create another window. Go to Windows, pick a random window, then edit it and change the width to 800 millimeters, height to 1200 millimeters, and I place it where it reflects on the floor plan. For the ones in the living room, they look quite different. They are 900 millimeters windows, so I make it 900 millimeters and give it a height of 1500 millimeters. Those slim and long windows. Now for this very wide window, use the measure tool to check out the width. It is 1800 millimeters. You can duplicate a window and edit it. Make it 18.0 by 15.0, then place it. For the bathroom and store windows, you use 600 millimeters by 600 millimeters windows, then place it where it is meant to be. I'm going to 3D mode to see what I've done so far. The bathroom and store windows are a bit low. You manually adjust them to place with the arrow keys. Thanks for staying to the end. See you in part 3.